Hello, grade twos. Let's dive in. So, putting numbers on a number line in the correct order. Let's begin with 65. Now, as you recall, I gave you just 0 to 100, and I asked you to fill in the midpoint, which is 50, and also the two midpoints between the midpoint, which is 25 and 75. This is going to help us find where the 65 should go. So, 65 is bigger than 0. Bigger than 25, bigger than 50, but not bigger than 75. So what we'll do is we'll put it not quite in the middle, a little bit closer to 75, but the middle is about right. Now we've got the 13, and as you can see, we're going to have to go way down here because 13 is less than 25. In fact, it is about halfway between 0 and 25, so that would be a really good spot for it. Finally, we have 86, which is greater than 25, greater than 50, greater than 65, greater than 75. In fact, it's going to go about in the middle between 75 and 100. So if you did your homework, you can check and see if you put it in about the right places. Remember, if you're doing this, it doesn't have to be exactly where it would be if you made a little line for every number, but just make sure you don't put 13 in the middle or something. Make sure everything is approximately where it should be. So today we're going to look at filling in the blanks again, and I wanted to show it to you in a different way. So we've got 23, 24, and for those of you who are comfortable in your counting, you know what comes next. But I wanted to show it to you with the base 10 blocks. So let's pull out 23 is what we're going to start with here. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, so because we're not skip counting, we're just increasing by one number each time, all we do to get to the next number is add another 1. So I'm going to do a little trick here where I just make this again. See that? Exactly the same, but we're going to add another 1. So we go from 23 to 21, 2, 3, 4. We've just gone up one number, 1, 1. So then, by that logic, we would just go up one number again. So let me make the exact same thing. And one more 1. And let's see what number we actually have here. We have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So we can change this blank here to 25. 23, 24, 25. I realize that some of you knew that as soon as you saw it. But what I'm trying to do is show you what you're actually doing here. That way, if you're ever stuck with a blank and you can't figure it out, you can think about it in this way. Let's do another example. We've got 47, blank, 49. Okay. So let's start with making our blocks here. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, and 47. All right. So let's take a look here. We've got 49 over here. So let's cheat a little bit and let's just use this again like before. But this is only 47. We need to make it up to 49. So we need to add another one to make it 48 and this one to make it 49. Okay, so if we look here, we've got the same number of tens. Now the ones though, we have 7 here and we've got 9 over here. So if you think about it that way and you realize that this is 7 and this is 9, I think a lot of you would automatically realize, that probably means there should be 8 of them here if we're going up by ones again. So what you're looking at then, I'm just going to make another copy. That's not the one we want, pardon me. What we want is this here. With another 1 added. So now if you look here, 7 ones, 8 ones, 9 ones. So the number that we're looking at here in the middle is now 48. All right. So I don't want this video to get too terribly long, so we're going to skip ahead here. And I'm going to skip right to the homework page. So this is addition and subtraction. Yes, you do have to carry the ones. Yes, you have to borrow. So please pause the screen and write these down on some paper. You can answer them. If you want, you can send a picture of them to me so I can see your work, or you can just check them in tomorrow's video and see how you did. I hope you're having a great day. Talk to you tomorrow.